Hive2. (64 and 17 Celsius). And I do agree with that humidity there. Looks like this one's settled down as well. But it was nice and warm earlier. It's windy and cloudy now, so they should all be coming home because weather's changing. We've had some pretty big gusts for around here. I don't know, guessed maybe 12, maybe 15-mile-an-hour gusts. Enough to blow all the leaves off the roof. Let's look at the bottom board. See what is happening there. It's so windy, any mites that are on here are going to be blowing off pretty quick. Yeah, still a lot of mites. I'm going to say right now, just looking at it, probably close to 60. This is, I can't remember if it's day 4 or 5 after the last treatment. I'll drop it in the into the description if anybody cares to look at that on shorts. I think short attention span is on shorts, so everybody's already clicked off except for the people that are interested in this. So by all means, feel free to look at the regular content. There I can ramble on for hours. I'm gonna do a count. I'll put it in the description. Oh, looks like it just turned on. So I'm counting about 102 on the board. See if there are any wiggling around. Of course, I only see them wiggling after I review the video. Wasp. He's fast. Or she's fast.